The Nurburgring 24 Hours, an unforgiving test of speed, endurance, and engineering. And once again, Mini John Cooper Works and Bulldog Racing are ready to take on the green hell. In 2024, Mini achieved a spectacular triumph in the SP3T class with the near-production number 317 Mini John Cooper Works Pro. Partnering once again with Bulldog Racing, Mini is set to compete in the 53rd edition of the 24 Hours race at the Nurburgring. This year, the Mini John Cooper Works will stand out with a striking new livery thanks to a collaboration with apparel and lifestyle brand Deus Ex Machina. The design features a bold black and white scheme with hand-drawn logos and an oversized Deus graphic, giving the car a unique, artistic flair. The Bulldog Racing team will also sport exclusive gear from the new season collection, showcasing a seamless blend of motorsport and lifestyle. The Nürburgring's demanding layout will once again challenge the Mini John Cooper Works and Bulldog Racing team, testing every aspect of their performance and resilience. With a legacy of success and a commitment to innovation, Mini is ready to make its mark once again at the world's toughest endurance race. Stay tuned as Mini and Bulldog Racing gear up for another unforgettable performance at the Nürburgring 24 Hours. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.